Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the 10th elf on the Bloxburg Elf Hunt. So you'll just need to go to the camping site, which I'm going there right now, and you'll need a present, which you can get from your backpack. It's like up here, and then it's that like path to the left, like next to this like burger sign. Also, please just excuse my driving skills. I'm just trying to get here as fast as I can. And don't mind my parking skills either. So go here, go to your backpack, and then you're going to find the present. And you're going to purchase this one. Press yes. And you're just going to walk here, alright? And then you are going to go to the pink tent over here. And then you'll find the elf underneath this tree. Press gift, and that is it for this video, the 10th elf. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.